Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Samsung Gyre error code 3C. So guys, 3C means there's a problem with the motor or motor drive system, and it means the drum may not be spinning properly. So first one is unplug the gyre for 5 minutes to reset the control board and plug it back in and try running a cycle. Now, open the door and try to spin the drum by hand, and it should turn smoothly. And if not, something may be jammed or the belt may be broken. So, turn the gyre on and listen. And if you hear a hum but no drum movement, the motor may be stuck or failing. So, just simply go ahead and clean out excess load as well and remove overload or heavy items that could be straining the motor and try running an empty cycle to test it out. Now, if any of these doesn't work, just simply call for a professional help to fix the issue. See ya.